Aloha, it's Mr. Lee. We're here today to continue on our 7 journeys of a very interesting geometrical puzzle that's ancient, very, very old, older than me, and that's old. So number 7, 7, that's the number we're working with. So we're going to start with trying to imagine it, even if you close your eyes just for a second. Can you see 7 things? Can you see the number 7? If not, I didn't, but we tried. So I'm going to go with a silly little pen that I hope everybody has at home. We are going to be making creative educational videos, you and I. Today we're going to start with a silly little line going right across here on this beautiful tool coming from the engineering world. And we're going to put it down on a piece of paper, which is like our sketchbook or design pad or scrap paper, whatever it is. And we want to make a square. So let's try it. First line right here, hold your template. This is something we've made, and we'll make some out of cardboard. We're going to make a line across. Voila. Now, coming over to that point in a perfect angle, and we're going to talk about those. But right now we're going to make the second line going across. And right away we see this beautiful, gorgeous shape that will have a base that's also going to act as the middle of our work, a giant triangle. But we're going to do something because there's going to be 7 shapes that we need. So we want this line to go straight from this point all the way down to that one. And now we're going to work with these 2 triangles. And now, how to get to the other side. The same thing, we're going to put down this part of the template, hold it steady, and draw another line. We flip it over here and connect those 2 lines. And now, this is the interesting part because we have the 2 main triangles. And we're going to try to go up to this line up here. And we're going to stop a little bit because there should be a shape showing right there. And we call that another triangle. We're going to look for another one that gives us 5 triangles. And from here straight across, a parallelogram. So we go like this, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and the 7th shape. 1, 2 large triangles. 3, 4 small triangles. 5, a square. 6, a medium triangle. And number 7, the rhombus, the parallelogram. 2 parallel lines on both sides. A parallelogram equaling our magic square.
Want to know what to call this? The magic square?